Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 9 also asks you to find two numbers that total. It says two numbers total 33. 9 more than 5 times the first number is equal to the second number. Find the two numbers. So it says that the two numbers total to 33. So we're going to use the total trick. The first number we're going to represent as x. The second number we're going to use the total trick. The total is 33 minus the first number, which would be x. So now I have the first number represented as x and the second number represented as 33 minus x. Now I'm going to use translation. 9 more than 5 times the first number is equal to the second number. So here's my word is equal to, that becomes the equal sign. The left side is 9 more than 5 times the first number. So more than means addition. I want 5 times the first number, and I want that added to 9. So 5x plus 9. The right side expression is just the second number, and we called the second number 33 minus x. So my equation says 5x plus 9 equals 33 minus x. And now I can solve. I'm going to gather all my variables on one side and my numbers on the other. So I'm going to add x to both sides in order to keep my variable term positive. 5x plus x is 6x plus 9. Negative x plus x is 0. 0 plus 33 is 33. And now I just have a two-step. Subtract 9 from both sides and divide by 6. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 plus 6x is 6x, and 33 minus 9 is 24. I'll divide both sides by 6 in order to make my coefficient equal to 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1x, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. So x equals 4, which means my first number is 4. My second number will be 33 minus 4, or 29. So my first number is 4, and my second number is 29.